Alright, Year 8 GarageBand tasks. This is how we're going to start up our task. So we come down here into the dock, find GarageBand, launch it. Make sure you got your USB inserted so you got somewhere ready to save your work. And what are we going to create? We're creating a new project and we're going to create an empty project. So choose empty project. We've got a few options here. We could choose drummer, which adds drums that automatically play with your song. We could record live guitars and vocals, or we could just simply play sounds from our Mac. Because we're going to be using loops mostly, I think this is probably the best option to use, playing sounds from your Mac with a software instrument. So we're going to choose that. And it comes up with this instrument here. Now, to be honest, we're not actually going to use this instrument. We're going to use loops, but for the moment, we'll just leave that there. And instead, what we'll do is we'll bring up the loops window. So we go up here to the View menu, come down to Show Apple Loops, and here they are. So there's a whole bunch of loops over on this side that we can choose from. Okay. Next thing is probably we want to save our song. Let's already find a location to save it. So I'm going to go into the Save menu here. If the options look like this and you want to sort of try to find your folder, just remember to click down on this little button over here. It'll open it up, give you more options. So I'm going with there. My USB, I'm going to find my folder. I've probably got a few more folders than you do. Year 8. You might have an easier place to store yours, I'm sure. Assessment, GarageBand video file. So I'm going to store it in there. Don't forget, when you save your work, you need to save it with your name. Maybe give it a title, and don't forget to put your class. There you go. Save. Right, make sure you do save your work as you're going along. Very important. And that's how we open up our GarageBand file.